key card entry. Not the best of shape. 45 euros a night. This is interesting, somewhat. This room has a private toilet and shower. I would recommend to spend a few extra euros to get this, even though it's old, small, kind of dirty. Right, you'll see places dirtier than in a hostel, but those only cost 17 to 23 euros a night. So the room is very small, maybe 80 square feet, maybe less than that. And it is old, dingy. Towels wide enough. Okay, this place is very near the central train station, so that's very convenient. The room view is awful. I think I'll close that for my stay. Not much to see. I showed the communal toilet, and it was very cold in there, by the way. And old and dirty looking, so that's why I would say spend any amount to get out of that situation in this particular hotel.